Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel at Let's Go This Cake channel. Feel free to subscribe and like my videos. Today I will be making cheese stick, the viral cheese stick bread. And firstly, I want you to know that when you're making your cheese stick bread, you can have any flavor of your choice. I'll be making use of my soy sauce. I added my vegetables, my onions, and my bell peppers, my green pepper. After doing that, I stir to a mix. Then, after mixing, the next thing I want to do is for me to make sure I saute my ingredients to give it a fine taste. Here am I mixing my vegetables together. After mixing it, I pack it onto a plate, and the next thing we go proper into the main thing. Here is my bread which I'll be using. Some people make use of sliced bread, but here I'm making use of normal agege bread. So I'm cutting my agege bread into two, ready to go into filling my cheese stick. Now, after cutting the bread into two, what next I did was to add my mayonnaise, but some use butter. I'm making use of the mayonnaise. After spreading my mayonnaise butter on the bread, I had my vegetables. My vegetables made of onion, sauteed with soy sauce, bell pepper, and meat. After adding them, I spread them onto the bread. And after spreading it onto the bread, the next step is to add my cheese. Mind you, we have different kind of cheese. We have mozzarella cheese, we have parmesan cheese. We have when you go to the store to buy cheese, you have to be careful of the cheese that you're buying because there are some cheese that naturally they don't give that sticky vibe. So this is the cheese here I'm making use of. I had my cheese. After adding my cheese, the next thing I want to do is to make sure my cheese are filled in properly to give that cheese stick yummy bread. So after adding my cheese, I bring to a close. The next thing is to make sure I put into my pan and to make sure that is so I'm making use of a saucepan. Like major people, they make use of a shawarma bread machine. And yeah, this is me pressing my bread to give me a fine tune. So this is me here using my spoon to press the bread to make sure the bread is well articulated. So for some people, they make use of the shawarma machine, but here I am making use of my saucepan. My saucepan would also give me what I'm looking for. So yeah, the bread is ready, and I will transfer onto a plate. So after transferring onto a plate, the next thing I want to do is to cut my bread. Our yummy cheese stick is ready. So this is me here cutting my bread into different sections. So here is our cheese stick bread, yummy. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe on our YouTube channel for more videos.